Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I feel like shooting this video in this much light only, so please pardon me for that. The very channeled intuitive message that I have for you is someone is trying to make you feel jealous or insecure. Someone is seeing you grow in life. It can be an ex-friend. This person is not your well-wisher. It can be anybody, a family friend who does not have your best intentions, any family member, anybody, okay? But you know this person, like this person is in your close proximity. You guys used to be close at one point, but now you have parted ways because you got to know their true intentions, that they are not what they are showing themselves to be, and you walked away from this friendship or connection, and now you are progressing, you are thriving in life, and this person is not able to digest it basically. So they might do something to make you feel insecure or jealous or trigger you something online through someone. Take it as it fits into your situation, but yeah. Okay, so give me a second. An offer is coming towards you which will make you feel like this is going to be very beneficial for me, and you will like see a lot of success in this in the beginning if you accept this offer. But this is more financial and not really romantic or anything like that. This has potential of making you rich, by the way, and you will be successful in either if it's a business or a project or anything. You will gain financially from this, but this will not sustain for a very long time. So if you're searching for a, like, if you're a content creator and you get an offer, or if you're looking for a job, you get an offer, then accept it, but be rest assured that this is not for the long term, and you won't be able to, for whatever reasons, you won't be able to continue with this for a very long time. If you had conflicts with a person, with a friend or anybody, you guys are connecting again and resolving those conflicts. You guys are having heart to heart conversation, because the time I just my this can be a person whose name starts with the letter R. Not for everyone, for some of the people, because in this, the wheel of fortune is never actually, like, when you see it reverse, you see this letter R over here, like it looks like an R. So I just noticed it. So maybe the time was not right when you guys had connected, and that led to a lot of fights and conflicts. But now things are getting better. Yeah, things are at pause for now, but you will have some kind of conversation with this person. This person is coming towards you, the person that you had a lot of fights and arguments in the past. This person is coming towards you. Why is this person coming? What is this person's intention? This can be any person, okay? Any friend you had a fight with, a crush, a romantic interest, anybody. Okay. This person has been stalking you a lot on your social handles, and this person is also being guided by their spirit team to come in contact with you and to have a new beginning with you, to start fresh, to apologize and tell, like, okay, let's, I was wrong or something. This person will be very honest. With the Page of Swords, this also shows gaining new perspective, mindset shift, and gaining more clarity and honest communication. So this person will come to you to have a new beginning. They'll be like, okay, the past is done, and they know that they were not fair. If this was a relationship, then there was no equal give and take, and they didn't treat you rightly. So they want to make amends, they want to make changes, and that's why they are coming towards you. But what is the guidance for you in this situation? Justice. Yeah, so this can honestly this person is not coming with bad intentions, so take things slow with this person, but nothing wrong will happen here with you. Like if you're scared, okay, what if the cycle repeats again, what if this person hurts me again? No, the justice will be served, and this is your karmic justice. This person coming back and apologizing and wanting a new beginning with you, to have an equal give and take friendship or relationship or whatever. This is your karmic justice. This is happening in your favor, so there's nothing to be scared of. We'll take one last message from your spirit guides and then we'll end the video. I'm feeling a hurry, so like I have to speak fast and end the video. So maybe this person will come to you just after you finish watching this video. So, or maybe you have already had this conversation. Let me know if something. Owl, seeing an owl somewhere, white owl can be a confirmation. Eagles can be a confirmation. Blue and yellow bird can be a confirmation. If you see this online or somewhere, yellow daisies. Are daisies yellow? I'm sorry. Orchids can be confirmation. Hierophant. This person contemplated and thought a lot, gained a lot of perspective, have released all the negative emotions that they had regarding your friendship or your connection or whatever. They have talked to a lot of people, maybe consulted tarot readers, maybe have figured out things about you, and are now coming with a new perspective, with a different perspective, and things will be different this time. It won't be the same. But you are being advised here by your guides to communicate clearly, and don't have a practical and logical mindset when you're dealing with this person, and don't be led by your emotions, be led by your intellect, because you know what's right for you. But you guys are very giving and very nurturing and very, easily, like you feel like everyone is like you, but not everyone has the same heart as you. So use your logic, use your mind. You know what's right for you. Do what is right for you. Do what's going to benefit you in the long term. This person who is coming can be an earth sign and you can be an air sign, or vice versa. Okay, I think you chased a lot after this friendship or this person. It's different for everyone, so I don't want to label it into a relationship or anything. And you even helped them. I feel like you helped this person a lot financially also when they were going through a rough cycle. Yeah, you prayed for this person a lot. Yeah, you did pray for this person a lot. Communication is coming from this person. And yeah, communication was not coming from this person because you are in the Queen of Cups energy, and now since you are getting converted into the Queen of Swords energy, the communication is coming in, because this is the energy that you need to be with. I don't know what I'm speaking, guys. Because when I'm doing the readings, it's not me speaking, it just comes through. So yeah, we have a lot of cards. Yes, this person is coming with clarity. This person is coming with clarity, but just a second. Yeah, this person will not manipulate you. Whatever this person is telling you, that they want to reconcile with you, they want to reunite with you again, they want to give this another chance, it will be an honest conversation. Okay, it will be an honest conversation, because they still see hope and they are not manipulating you. So if you're looking at this person with this lens that, okay, but what if they are manipulating me, what if they are trying to again do the same things with me? No, this is an honest communication with honest interest. Okay, and this person is not manipulating you. One last card, Spirit. Okay, but you're still being told, have your boundaries. Have your boundaries. Don't give your everything to this person right away. Have your boundaries. Okay, because whichever person is coming back to you, or you have in your mind that this can be the person she is talking, like I'm talking about, you know that this person might sometimes push you to cross your boundaries, or might sometimes behave like they don't respect your boundaries, but you are being told here to have your boundaries with this person. Let this person in, but have your boundaries is what I'm hearing for you. this person has tried to talk to you a lot telepathically also. So if you have seen them in your dreams recently, then yeah, they are wanting to communicate with you. The Lovers card, this can be someone from your soul tribe, your soul mate. Yeah, okay. If this is romantic, you can build a family with this person, and this person is coming towards you with a lot of excitement and passion. I'll end this reading here, and yeah, thank you so much. If you guys feel like I see, whenever I do the readings, it is always whatever the cards are coming, I have to guide you likewise, right? I don't even select the topics. So if you feel like do career reading or do love reading, I never really decide. I always go with the flow, like whatever guidance is coming, I'll just let you know about that, right? So thank you.